Question 24. Given that P is 25 meters on a bearing of 330 degrees from Q, how far south of P is Q? Looking at this question is a bearing question, and we'll have to take it carefully and not miss our point. Given that P is 25 meters on a bearing of 330 from Q, so what it's saying is that the bearing of P from Q is 330. That means the location of P from Q is 330. That means from Q we'll find 330 degrees, then mark it up to P. Let's say these are 4 cardinal points, and this is where our Q lies. And with our Q, we know this is a 3-figure bearing, and we'll take our readings from the north, and each of these quadrants is 90. So we go 330, we go 90, we go another 90, this is 180, we go another 90, that's 270. Then above 270 we have 330, so we can just get 330 minus 270. We have 0 here, we'll borrow 1 here, this is 2, this is 13. 13 minus 7 will give us 6, so we know this is 60. So after we get to 270, we travel 60 degrees more. This small angle is 60, and this total angle from here around here to this point is 330 degrees. So we travel to point P. Now we know this angle is 60, and this is our point P. The question says how far south of P is Q. Now this is south of P. How far south? But that's how far down of P is Q. So we draw this line straight down, then we connect it to make a right angle, and we have this part to be 25 meters. So this, as we have seen, this is a right angle triangle. We have our 60 here, we have here as 25 meters, the distance between P and Q on the bearing of 330 degrees. Then this small angle is 60, because you have to travel 90, 180, 270, then 60 more degrees to complete 330 degrees. And we know this is 60 degrees, this is 25. We're given a side and an angle, and we're asked to find this side, which is the opposite, because it's the side or the line facing the angle given to us. We know the line facing the right angle or 90 degrees is the hypotenuse, so we have this as our hypotenuse, and we have been asked to find the opposite, which is the line facing the angle we've derived, which is 60. This is opposite. And the relationship between the hypotenuse and the opposite in Pythagoras theorem, because it's a right angle triangle where you are given the angle and the side, is sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So we have that sine, our theta is 60 equals our opposite is unknown, we make it x, over our hypotenuse is 25. We can then say this is over 1, then we'll cross multiply. X times 1 is x, then you have 25 times sine 60. X equals 25. With our calculator, sine 60 is 0.8660. X is equals to 25 times 0.8660 will give you 21.65. And to one decimal place, it is approximately 21.7. Because when you are taking this 5, a number up to 5 and stopping at this 6, from 5 to 9, when you are taking it off, you add 1 to the 1 in front of it. This now becomes 7. So you have 21.7 meters. Our answer is B.